How to create this effect inside Unreal Engine.
To create a new material, we're gonna call this master material effect outline. So first thing that we're gonna start is to change the type of the material. So in order for us to be able to look through the material, we need to have a translucent. By default, we have the opaque, but we're gonna change that to translucent. We're gonna start by taking the scene pixel size. What this node does is, if you know about the texture size, it's basically allowing us to say what is the texture density, like how many pixels and everything we have in height and width. And this is information that in this case, because it's a scene texture size, is being taken from the scene. So we're gonna take this, and this is something we're gonna use so that we have the effect of our outline becoming a little bit smaller in depth. And we're gonna take this one and we're gonna multiply it. In a second, we're gonna hook the output to exactly what we're gonna multiply it. So instead of a parameter, we're gonna be using offset, and this way we're gonna have a different type of values for the different depths that we have in the scene. So next thing that we're gonna take is screen position. So this is an important one because we're gonna take the viewport and the UVs from the viewport that and the way that we are looking at the moment currently into the scene. And this one we are going to first mask. Let's make a component mask. We just want two of the channels, so just the red and the green one. And those two, we're gonna add them together. And then we also would like to get the scene depth. And that's pretty much everything that we need in terms of logic so far. So if we hook this thing into our emissive color, you will see that everything will become like super bright, because at the moment our values are like all the way up, so everything is just completely emissive. So we're gonna need to start adding a little bit of values. In order to add more depth, as I mentioned, to the scene, we're gonna make 4 copies of this. So just 4 copies like that. And as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna use a blur